What's a crypto payment gateway and why should I even care? It's basically the tool that lets your website accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies as payment. And let's face it, 420 million people globally use crypto. That's not a tiny fringe anymore. The pain point? Traditional payment systems can be slow, expensive, or clunky. Ever lost 3.5% on a credit card fee? Multiply that by hundreds of sales. Painful, right? Crypto gateways often charge under 1%, and transactions settle instantly. That's real savings. So here's how it works. A customer with crypto wants to buy something. During checkout, they get a QR code or a payment address. Boom, they scan, funds are transferred, and your website registers the payment. No middleman drama. Setting one up? Easy, mostly. Platforms like Coinbase Commerce, BitPay, and CoinGate let you integrate crypto payments with just a few clicks. And for WordPress sites, plugins like WooCommerce literally make it as simple as installing an app. Step 1. Choose your gateway provider. Research is key here. Fees vary, supported currencies differ, and some offer automatic crypto to fiat conversion. If you don't want your payment turning into a roller coaster wallet ride, opt for the latter. Step 2. Create an account with your chosen provider and verify it. Yes, KYC Know Your Customer steps can be annoying, but that's how you legitimize the system. At least they're usually faster than traditional bank setups. Step 3. Tie the gateway to your website. If you're on Shopify, it's a quick integration. If you're coding your site, APIs allow some flexibility. Pro tip, test the process before going live. Nobody likes a broken checkout. One pain point. Crypto wallets can be intimidating. Buyers may hesitate because they lack a wallet or don't understand the process. What's the workaround? Provide a quick FAQ or a guide during checkout. Problem solved. For those worried about crypto volatility, yes, Bitcoin's price can jump higher than your heart rate during a horror movie. Solution? Gateways like BitPay let you convert crypto into your local currency immediately. No more sleepless nights. Why care about this at all? It's not just about trends, it's about reaching untapped customers. A Statista survey says 25% of millennials own crypto. If your site doesn't accept it, you're walking away from wallets. And don't forget cross-border sales. Crypto skips the nonsense of exchange rates and international payment delays. You accept Bitcoin in Oregon. Your customer in Shanghai buys it seamlessly. That's why global e-commerce retailers are jumping on board. At the end of the day, setting up a crypto gateway isn't rocket science anymore. It's just one more way to grow your business, widen your payment options, and stay ahead of the curve. Because who doesn't want to be future-proof?